Hello there. Today I'm gonna try to explain you what is the meaning, the principle of induction. The principle of induction is a concept of a basic concept of elementary number theory. It says if Q is a set of integers such that 1 belong Q, n belong Q implies n plus 1 in Q, and all integers greater or equal to 1 belong to Q. This is strange, but it means that set, Q is natural numbers. That's it. That's it, So, this concept, it could be strange, it could be weird, but I guess when explain you a few example, I guess you could understand me. So the example is this one. The sum where I equals 1, since I equals 1 until 3, for example, is this one. Oh yeah. So when I equals 1 plus when I equals 2 and plus when I equals 3 until 3 is equals 6. Yes. So for this course, this formula is true, and I need you trust me. It's true for this course. If you want to understand what is the reason the sum is equals that formula, so you need to try to search about Gauss. Gauss is a beautiful and greatest mathematician. It's called a prince of mathematician. And if you want to know what is the reason about it, you need to try to search about Gauss. So go ahead. So okay, I'm gonna try to prove this one with this. So and we need to know if one if one belong to that set. So when I equals 1 until 1 is equals 1, and if n equals 1, so in that formula 1 times 1 plus 1 under 2 is equals 1. So yes, this formula satisfies that, you know yes, of course. So the next step for this proof is n. We need to suppose for whatever n, if is true, that formula is true. So yes, we suppose this one is true, you know so but we need to know if it's true for the next integer, so for n plus 1. So yes, we have to add, or we have plus the next integer, the next integer, and we use the properties of integers of natural numbers, something like that. And yes, maybe we could do this one. I'm going to multiply it with 1. This one is 1, it's equals 1. So I'm going to try to use, I'm going to calculate this one is this one. this one, yes, and this is equals, we have the associative property, and this is factor, n plus 1 and n plus 1, and yes, associative property. I applied associative property, yes. So when I add the next integer, the formula is this one. So if we use that formula when until the next integer, you know so now n is equals n plus 1, and n is plus n plus 1 plus 1 over 2, yes. Mm, and this one is, and this is a symmetric proposition, and use the only way, but we need to try to prove the other way, but for this video I guess is enough, you know so this formula, it proved with that concept, the principle of induction. Thanks, bye bye.